First of all, I want to clear that if you never use the Git, if your system do not have Git, first of all, download the Git. Okay, install the Git for Windows. When you download it, just click on the next. You will get it. And even first of all, let me know that anyone here would not have Git in their Windows.
Anyone have?
I don't.
नहीं है Git, right? So first of all, install the Git, right? Click on that executable file. It will ask you some few permissions, right? Just install that everything here. Just install it, and I don't think so it will take any difficulties. Just to click on the next, and you will get it installed, right? I have already, so I do not want to disturb my existing system, so that's why I'm skipping right now, but you can install it. Fine. When you get installed it, right, back to the tutorial. Here you can start after installing, you can check on terminal. You can your VS Code terminal, or you can open command prompt, and you can directly just verify that you have Git installed or not by run this command git version, and you will get the latest version of that installation. Now after that, what you need to do, I think you should fetch this kind of ask permission when you do not have Git and you are using that. So first of all, use the same email as your GitHub account, check it, right? And every time commit need your identity. Maybe VS Code will ask you for the login when you set this kind of things. Let me open it and we'll try to in this project. Let me open a fresh terminal. Right, I have shared but sorry, I think I shared my name. Try to keep it with your correct name, user.name, so I can take it like Pavan Meena and whatever. And you can set your Gmail ID, but all keep the ID as it is, like your GitHub account here, right? Let me first close it here. Right, you can put your email ID here, whatever your email ID you are using right now. Okay, gmail.com. I am putting incorrect, but you can put correct email ID, don't copy me. Okay, and after that, use the same email as your GitHub, check it, GitHub config, you can check it through so you should get the list of things like here. Okay, this is for the testing purpose. The important part is here. First of all, you have to set up the secure SSH, secure login SSH, one time setup, एक बार रहेगा, ठीक है. For that, what you have to do, generate SSH key. This is the important part. In your VS Code, click here, enter. You will ask to save the SSH key here, right? Just click the enter. Don't write anything, okay? And but in my case, it is saying that already exists, right? In your case, it will ask maybe password, right? For that case, you have to just enter, and otherwise I have to rewrite again, maybe. Okay, for you, let me overwrite my key so that I can explain the tutorial very well. So I'm overwriting my current existing key. Enter. Let me open Y. Now this will ask you for password. Don't enter any password, just enter, again enter, and that's it. Your SSH key has generated in this path, right? .ssh folder. Now next is copying that SSH key. How you will copy? Just cat and run this command here. Array. Okay, now you can see this is your SSH key. Okay, just copy it. When you have copied, right, what you have to do, go to your GitHub account. Here go to setting, SSH and GPG key. Okay, here new SSH key, enter, control V, give it a name, ThinkPad2, whatever name you want to give it, you can give it. Okay, edit, verify the Gmail. In my case I have to verify through the OTP. Okay, let me enter that OTP. Just too long OTP. 980031117. Okay, done. Now after that, what you have to do? Test ssh t github.com. Put that thing. Hi Ultraviolet, you have successfully authenticated, but GitHub does not provide cell access. That's fine, no worries. Okay, you should get that that message. Now, if you have you authenticated, now step 4, git init. Okay, are you doing with me?